Level 1 8 count, Uptown Swing. Peter, Naomi, Thursday nights. Tonight was your very first night, and you did great. We learned the footwork, started out like this. We all started on our right foot. We went rock, step, boom, the rock, step, boom. Then we rock, step, tripled, rock, step, triple. Let's do a couple more times so they can practice at home. Getting both sides, the right side and the left. Then we took that and turned it into a yo-yo.
Flip-flop.
Flip-flop.
So this is the first one.
Thank you, Peter.
I start left.
I start right.
So we go rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step. And I'm kind of guiding this one. I'm actually leading this a little bit. She's following my arms here.
Speaking of leading, then we did the yo-yo.
That's correct. Hands here, and I went rock,
Both
step.
hands, move your partner.
Rock, step. So I rock back.
Rock, step.
Then I go forward. Then I rock forward.
Step.
And I go back. She's doing kind of the same shape as before.
Boom, boom,
Then we did reverse yo-yo.
Now I rock forward. Step, step, triple step.
Get right in front of your partner. It makes it easier.
Step, hey. Then we did a circle. Hey. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey.
Turning. 5, 6, 7, 8. If you can turn enough to get going behind yourself at the end there, it makes life easy.
Sideways, not falling backwards, followers.
And then we did this little sequence. Go a little something like this. Hey.
Da-do-ga-dee. Da-do-ga-dee, ga-do-ga-dee, ga-do-ga-dee. Da-do-ga-dee, ga-do-ga-dee, ga-do-ga-dee.
Stop it. We can start over. That's it. Bye.